Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my ML55 W163 and I'm going to be changing and upgrading the headlights. Right now I got some really ugly headlights. They're all hazed up and they just look really outdated. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Taking out the headlight is very easy. You do not have to remove the fender or anything. You open this top bolt. It's a 10 mm. And then there's this strip right under the headlight that needs to be removed. There's a small clipping, it's a little tricky, but you just got to take it out from the bracket itself. Once it's out, just slowly come. Do not give it any extra pull as the tabbings can break. And from here, slowly bring it out. And underneath, once the strip is out, as you can see, there's one nut right here and one right here. Both also are a 10 mm. Once the two bottom nuts are out and the top bolt, there's one last tabbing right here. All you're going to do is push the headlight in. It's going to loosen it a bit and pick it right up. Once it's out, it's going to slide right out. Disconnect the wiring in the back. Going to remove the bulbs. Just like that. So here's the original and here's the aftermarket I'm installing. Black housing. Now to reinstall the bulbs and the wiring. Place it in and just turn it. It'll lock right in place. So now I'm going to reinstall the two nuts on the bottom and the bolt right on top. Now I'm going to change the other headlight as well, and I'll share with you my final results. So here's the new look. I've brought my ML55 back to life. I'm really loving the outlook, and if you have a W163 as well, this is one of the best upgrades to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.